Hi, my name's Tegan. I'm here with Jacob's Trading. I'm the local jewelry designer? And I'm the expert.
It's believed that
Eventually, your plant will then start to produce new leaves. Did you not like it?
No, I was just focusing.
Oh, sorry, I thought you were stopping.
No.
Hi, my name's Tegan. I'm the local... Hi, my name's Tegan. I'm here with Jacob's Trading. If you haven't heard of us before the... Hi, my name's Tegan. I'm the local... Hi, my name's Tegan. I'm the local jewelry making expert here at Jacob's Trading. If you haven't heard of us before, make sure you check out the description to find out information to take us... Hi, my name's Tegan. I'm the local jewelry making expert here at Jacob's Trading. If you haven't heard of us before, be sure to check out the description below, and it will take you to a link to our website. Not the link! Hi, my name's Tegan. I'm the local jewelry making expert here at Jacob's Trading.
okay, so Megalodon was a shark.
So the ram refer blah 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 blah. That sounded like gibberish. All right.
Why am I doing the handguns? What?
Please like and subscribe. It greatly helps us out. And have a rock.
Hi guys, I'm Leah. I
know. What am I supposed to say?
Hi everyone, Taylor here. I'm the rock specialist. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed. I know I always enjoy these moments sharing all this information with you. If you liked our video, please make sure you press link. If you want to... Hi everyone. Okay, last but not least, we're going to talk about trilobites. These guys are arthropods, and they are closely related to our modern day horseshoe crab, and they also molted an exoskeleton like lobsters do today. They were...
No. Deep breath in.
So now I'm going to show you the other technique using the thing that I forgot this was called.
Do 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 do.